Now this is quite a tricky question. This is in the higher tier paper as well. This 3 lines here means an identity. So it means that this on the left-hand side is equivalent to this over here. So it's not an equal sign. So we're not going to try and turn it into an equation and solve it. We're just going to try and compare both sides. Now this side is nice and clean. It's 11x plus 14, but there's a lot going on here. We can probably simplify something. So let's try and simplify this first. I'm going to write out the question in full. X plus b is equivalent to 11x plus 14. Now remember, we're just trying to simplify the left-hand side, so I'm going to kind of ignore this for a minute. So 3ax plus 6 minus, I know we can expand these brackets out here, so let's do that. 3ax plus 6. Now be careful because this is a minus 4. Minus 4 times x would be minus 4x. And a minus 4 times a positive b would be a minus 4b. What can I simplify here? Well, if we look at the terms and I circle them and I'm careful to get the sign on the left of each term, I can see that I've got like terms here. So I've got 3ax minus 4x plus 6 minus 4b. Now, x shows up in both of these cases, in both of these terms, but in the equivalent expression here, I've got x only showing up once. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to make this thing on the left here look similar to what's on the right here. So I might just add that in just to be clear what we're trying to do. I want something times x plus a constant. Now it looks like there's my x terms, and that's probably my constant term. Now to get x by itself, what I can do here is factorize, because x shows up in both terms. So if I bring x out as a common factor, I've got x times what would give me 3ax, x times 3a. X times what would give me minus 4x, minus 4. So I could just check that way. X times 3a is 3ax. X times minus 4 is minus 4x. And then I've got a plus 6 minus 4b. Now look at this. We've got 11x here and we've got something x there. So this bracket has to equal 11 to make it the same as what's on this side. So what I can say here is 3a minus 4 has to equal 11. I've also got this stuff on the right here, 6 minus 4b, and this is going to be the same as 14. So I can now say that 6 minus 4b has to equal 14. And if that bracket's 11 and these two terms here equal 14, then what's on the left will be equivalent to what's on the right. So what value of a is going to make this equal to 11? Something minus 4 is 11. 15 minus 4 is 11. 3 times what's 15? A equals 5. 6 minus 4b is 14. Well, the answer here is bigger than 6, so this b must be a minus. So 6 minus a minus would turn that into a plus. 6 plus what is 14? 6 plus 8. So b must be minus 2. So let's just think about that. If a is 5, 3 times 5 is 15. 15 minus 4 is 11. Good. If b is minus 2, 6 minus 4 times minus 2. Minus 4 times minus 2 is positive 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. So a is 5 and b is minus 2.